Good day, everyone. I have a burning issue to speak to you all about. I'm Courtney Cross, and on a day-to-day basis, I can tell you I have been bombarded with what you would call messages. A message, not call it, no. But whether message or circular or trail message, yeah, and them the matter. Right? Now, these messages are just flooding the internet. Them send them on Facebook, them send them on Instagram, them send them on Twitter, them say, I don't know where them not send them on. I'll know your email them a send it, and more so the WhatsApp. Now, you have to be concerned about the things that you send on WhatsApp to your family, to your friends. First of all, somebody send you a note, right? Saying, oh, God is going to bless you today. It is going to be so, it's going to make so much of an impact in your life, right? Or God tell me to tell you this. Or, but listen, the type of God I serve. If him want to tell me something, him come straight to me and tell me. We not play hide and seek. Me and him not no malice. Right? Now, the problem with these circulars, right, are you don't know, one, you don't know where they're coming from. Two, you don't know what's the purpose. It might seem all innocent. You're sending around a prayer. Fine. But within these prayers, right, or within any of these messages, what you have are hidden keys. And note, let me tell you, some of these hidden keys can clean out your bank account. Yeah, man. Now, they say how people are send pictures or videos of man, a kill man, right? Man head cutter, woman head cutter. Last time I see a virgin send me a picture with a man standing behind a woman. Right? It look like one of them ISIS thing. Man has stand up behind a woman and cut off her. You know what I see that, brother? I delete the video and delete the virgin was saying that. Me no want to see them things. If you are going to send a video to me, send something inspirational, fine. Right? Send something where you know so boy I can gain from. What am I going to gain from an to try kill a next man? What am I gain from that? Learn techniques. No, when I send to people, me don't want them something that. You have a next thing again with this scamming thing is over and
Me a link with the scammer them. Right now me a scammer friend. Right now move on money. We don't wanna go now, we say we don't wanna bomb again. So we a link with the scammer them. Right now we a scammer.
a message when you get from WhatsApp. Unfortunately, it had a link. Right? The message read, if you want to be successful in life, click on this link. And anybody will click on it. That just opened the doors for the person who developed that link to take out everything out of your bank account. Right? People are out there trying to master technology, trying to twist technology for their own gain. And everything on the same. And note, they don't refer you to send it to a particular person. They say send it to everybody in your phone book. So you're supposed to have your cell phone and I go through the cell phone individually, right? And I send out. Do we have time for that? We seriously have time for that? No. When you think about it, I had my phones shut down twice because of these messages. The people them take off the whole of my credit rasta. My phone they shut down. Listen man, they have a link on it. When they send it to your phone, it have a link. Some of the links are highlighted in blue. Click on this link, right? And you will see so and so happen. Or send this to 20 person and you will see so and so happen. People. And then una go tell me say una believe in a Hobia. Yo. Yesterday I'm Hobia thing you know, Star Jano. I just feel dizzy. Jano Star. Can't bother that foolishness. Eh? If God want bless me, come down, come bless me himself. Me not have whip on a trail message. He can come bless me. You have to think. There are scammers out there. There are people out there that wants to find out more about you than you know yourself. And these are the ways these people think of or generate their using their technology to try and get into what you know, right? Even the Bible tell you, your worst enemy is your friend. And if these people can get to your contacts, they're getting to your friends. Stop sharing messages unless it's something that you write personally. If you're going to get a message from a particular person to send to a particular person, that shouldn't be trailed by sending this to 20 or all the people in your contacts. I don't see the sense of that. If you're going to openly pray for somebody, pray in a man. Send a prayer, but don't tell the people them to send it to everybody in your contact. If me get a message from you, I can know say alright, me supposed to can send it back to somebody who me feels they need it. You understand what I say? It is so genuine. But the fake part of it now is when you are going to say, why, send it to 20 people or else. Send it to 50 people or else. Or else what? Or else what? I will tell you or else. Right? If you don't send it, your phone's safe. If you send it, your information is out there. Your phone is liable to shut down. Your phone is more susceptible to a hack. Think before you click. You have to start doing that. Think before you click. Alright? That's all I'm trying to say.
I see a ray of light. Oh, I see it shining right through the rain. Yeah. When I see you smile, yeah, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything now. When I see you smile, oh yeah, baby, when I see you smile, smile at me.